Hi, John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Sahaboob. Sahaboob has been trading with us from March 26, 2021 up until the present date of review, 16th of July 2021. This trader has gained 10.99% with a drawdown average of 7.22% and a monthly gain of 2.81%. Now this trader is managing 30,000 US dollars. So going down, let's see how the journey started. The monthly analytics tell us, as you can see, this trader started with minus 1.97% in March, minus 26.68% in April, 8.1% in May, 1.53% in June, and 5.99% in July. So this trade has been very successful. As you can see, the consistency has grown over the last 3 months. So this is a very good way to start the FTP program and progressing with 5 more levels to go. Let's have a look at the trade advanced statistics. This trader has taken 232 trades in total. And as you can see, out of 232, the trader has won 157 out of 232 trades, which represents 68%, lost 75 out of 232 trades, which represents 32%. So this trader is an above average trader, which is very good. Let's see what pairs this trader traded to hit the target. As you can see, the trader has traded quite a few pairs and diversified, but I always like to tell the trader stick to the pairs that give you the most pips or dollars. And as you can see, the most consistent pairs this trader's been successful with is the Australian dollar US dollar at $329, followed by the pound US dollar at 567.01, and followed by the pound yen at 492.06. And we can probably take the euro pound and the euro CAD in consideration as well. But taking nothing away from this trader, we can see this trader's done very well in diversifying the risk. And by diversifying risk, this trader has actually managed to get the 10% requirement to move on to level 2, 30,000 US dollars. Let's just have a quick look at some of the trades taken. The trader's taken quite a few pair of trades, as you can see, 0.75, 0.1, and on average you can see the pip gains of 3 pips, 2 pips, 14 pips, 11 pips. So the pip ranges vary from trade to trade. But one thing I would recommend, and as I always tell all my traders, please always use a stop loss because it's good discipline. It brings good money management into place and it protects you from uncertainty. So this is a very good achievement. Congratulations and well done on achieving 10%. I'll just always like to give a few tips to improve your trading. Basically, analyze the markets when the market's closed so you get a bigger, clearer picture and the market is not jumping up and down. Also, read psychology books to give yourself the psychological advantage, and the Audacity community app. I've been posting recently on books I recommend to help you develop as a trader to give that psychological mindset. And more importantly, join the community of support with the Audacity community channel where we have like-minded traders sharing ideas, motivating each other. And again, you got myself posting content and giving value. So well done and congratulations on your 10%. And I look forward to reviewing this account in the future.